In this video, I am going to show you how you can install the Python extension on your Visual Studio Code. So at first, open the Visual Studio Code. I'm going to click the start menu of my Windows computer, and then I'm going to click Visual Studio Code. Once I click Visual Studio Code, it will be opened like this. Now, time to install the extension for Python. On the left side, you'll see a couple of icons are there. We have to come to this section, which is called extension. Just click over there. It will be open like this. And now here you'll see different sections are there. Installed, popular, accommodation, or MCP server. Many things is there. Our goal is to install Python. And the good thing is that if you click here and if you wait couple of seconds, I mean if you click this extension and if you wait 5 or 4 seconds, you will see popular items are there, and here I see Python is there. If you don't find Python under popular, just click here and then start typing Python, and once you start typing Python, just hit the return key. You will see the list of result of Python. We are not going to install any of them, rather we have to check which is the best version. So here you see couple of them has Microsoft. So just try to install that. Don't use any other version like this one, Python. If you click here, it will bring this type of window. Over here you will see the details. This is developed by Microsoft, and this is Python language support with extension. I'm not sure whether this is developed by Microsoft, but it is coming from Microsoft, which is a reliable source of this thing, and it was published 9 years before and last released 1 day ago. That means it is pretty much the newest one. So to install it, we just need to click install, and very shortly you will see a progress bar is there, and here we will see it will be installed shortly. Once it is installed shortly, you will see this installing button will be invisible. Some new other button will be appeared. We have to wait till it finished installation of this Python extension on Visual Studio Code. Once it is installed, you will see this type of welcome screen. Just close this thing. You don't need to open this thing. Click again, and now here you will see some new buttons are there. Disable, uninstall, switch to pre-release version. So basically right now you can disable it if you don't like, or for some reason you need to disable it. You can click here to disable it, or if you want to remove this thing from Visual Studio Code, you can install it. Now I'm going to close this thing also, and now in the extension pack I'm going to click here extension tab, and this time I'm going to remove everything, and then we'll see that Python is under install folder basically. So install, we have these 2 things or 3-4 things which is already installed by this Python, and these are from Microsoft, and that's it. In this way we can easily install Python extension with our Visual Studio Code.